Are you ready? Go slow.
It all started with the first snowball fight of the season.
Nice hit.
When on the way back we came across this Toyota, which clearly had some issues, so I decided to jump into the Excursion and go down there and help the guy out. But when we got down there, they were already working on their truck, and they were absolutely determined to make it on their own, so they didn't want our help. But since we were already down here in the snow, and my friend had never driven my Excursion, he asked to take it for a little joyride. Fast forward to the last few moments of his joyride in the snow.
Keep on going. Don't stop.
Watch now how the front left starts digging.
Don't dig yourself. You're digging yourself.
The passenger side tire in the rear is also spinning, but the driver's side in the front is definitely the bigger problem
Turn
right
your wheel
now.
straight. Go slow. Keep on going. Turn your wheel straight. Slow.
So that seemed like a lot of fun, and honestly I couldn't wait to go next. Meanwhile, they got their Toyota somewhat working again.
Leave it on a blown up U-joint. Yeah.
And then it was my turn.
Hold on a sec.
And that's when I unknowingly hit the hole that my friend had started digging earlier.
Turn your wheel straight.
At this point my friend accidentally stopped filming and then focused on a pickup truck going by. Can't blame him too much though. Who would have thought that I'd be stupid enough to drive into the same hole again and get stuck for good? Back at the footage, I absolutely cringe at my own driving, but I guess it is what it is. You live and you learn, and I'll do better the next time.
You're back.
Go back. Go backwards. I got it stuck.
We tried some more to get it unstuck, but no luck there. Unfortunately, my friend's car is a two-wheel drive, so there's no way that they could have helped me out of this mess that I got myself into. But right at that moment, I saw another truck come by, so I ran down there to get their attention. And out of the 4 people in the truck, 3 did not want to help us. But fortunately the 4th one was the driver, and he was willing to help. So we hooked up the trucks, my friend wanted to be the one who is in the Excursion, and we were ready to go.
Are you ready? Go slow.
Keep it in reverse.
Yeah, keep it in reverse. Alright, go, 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 go! There you go, keep on going, keep on going! Alright, stop.
Way better.
Hit it. Reverse. Reverse.
Hit it reverse. Go, go, go!
We're stuck in the pumpkin now.
Yeah, we have to try to dig off that snow.
Go in reverse, please.
Don't
Reverse.
go forward. Hey, don't go forward at all.
Yeah.
Reverse.
Go, 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 go!
No.
Yeah, it's not gonna. Too bad.
If we watch that last pull one more time from a different angle, you can see that at this point the other truck also got stuck. Sounds like a bad joke from a TV show, but it actually happened. So now it was time for me to start digging. I started to dig around the rear of the Excursion. I tried to get at least some of the snow and ice out of the way. Meanwhile, the others tried to use pure manpower to get their truck unstuck again. It took a few tries, but in the end we made it, and at least we got their truck freed again. So we repositioned it and just kept on pulling on the Excursion.
Yes, yes, yes.
Yep, hit it.
Nice.
And success! Of course, there is a lot you can learn from my mistakes here. Tires, diff locks, gearing, my complete lack of experience driving such a heavy vehicle in the snow, and much more, which I'm sure the internet will let me know about. But sometimes you make mistakes, you learn from them, and the next time I'll do better. And if you want to watch some more successful off-road adventures, check out my other videos.